The DO mechanics trained persons scientifically determine the quality of water by DO-SAG modeling methods. DO-SAG mathematical models are useful for following: A. Analysis of physio-chemical properties of water quality under climatic change conditions. B. Location of water treatment plant to plan water supply of a township. C. Location for mineral extraction activities to promote industrial use to maintain river health. D. Location for construction of flood water harvesting system to protect river road bridges and maintain smooth traffic flow even in rainy season. E. Design suitable flood harvesting structures to promote agricultural growth. In recent research, DO-SAG model making is simplified with the use of Shagun Soft-App S2. Tutorial question: what are the different methods of making DO-SAG mathematical model? How is it useful to determine river velocity and depth from the model? A wastewater stream is discharged into a main river as shown in the figure. Water samples have been collected from the main river at points S1, S2 10 km and S3 20 km. The sample of S2 is kept in the incubator for 2 days and sample from S3 is kept for 5 days at temperature 29 degrees centigrade. DO is determined for 0 day, after 2 days and after 5 days using the DO meter. The observations are shown in the table on the screen. According to recent research, it is found that there are 4 different methods to make river water DO-SAG model. Method 1, it is given by Streeter Phelps in 1925. Method 2, it is the finding of new research work. An empirical formula DO is equal to 2VD square minus HD plus CS is evolved to get DO model using river velocity and depth observation at site. Method 3, it is also a finding of new research work. DO model is made from results of BOD. Lab test by Winkler method. Method 4, DO is determined by DO meters over river reach of 30 km and DO-SAG model is made by empirical formula given in method 2. Applying Soft-App S2, equations shown on the screen are resulted from the observed data. The solution of these equations gives velocity V is equal to 4 meters per second and depth H is equal to 3.56 meters of the river. It is apparent that determination of river velocity and depth has become a simple task by using Soft-App code S2. The figure on the computer screen shows different methods to make DO-SAG mathematical model. River water quality is the prime concern for drinking water supply of the township, wastewater treatment plant location, and water quality assessment. It is assessed by DO-SAG model development methods. The determination is subject to impact of climatic change, river water coefficients. Exhaustive research data is available on DO-SAG models development for river water quality assessment, but none of them could modify the basic Streeter-Phelps equation introduced in 1925. In the new algorithm, 2 exponential curves depicting DO and BOD variation due to discharge of polluted stream in the main river is replaced by a quadratic polynomial to simplify the Streeter-Phelps equation. Trained DO mechanics are required for following jobs: to determine DO of a river water, to select the site for establishing water supply station of a township. Seawater lake is proposed in Chhattisgarh to meet the future water crisis. For this project, more than 30,000 people will be trained as DO mechanics. Trained DO mechanics are required in municipal corporations' public works department. The trained DO mechanics can work as freelancers to bring awareness of DO presence in water sent in Kent or AquaGuard domestic water purifiers. They can contact people from time to time to check the DO level of their overhead tanks and give maintenance service. The students taking the training of Shagun Soft-App S2 should perform the activity given as tutorial and make the video of the complete work and submit in the franchise center for the award of training certificate. Activities at franchise center. The trained staff runs the center for school students as well as to train the graduates to work as freelancer for following services. Math lab classes for school students. In CBSE affiliated schools, Math Lab is mandatory since 2005. But due to non-availability of trained staff, the lab activities are not performed in most of the schools. The franchise center meets the deficiency. After training, the graduates can run their office or serve the government in following areas: land surveyor, CAD operator, property valuers, math lab tutors, DO mechanics. To make the center lively, following extracurricular activities are done. Organize Geometry Genius contest among local schools. Organize education reform videos making contests, etc. Franchise fee and training. Any person can apply for GMAT Foundation franchise. The fee is only 25,000 rupees for 1 year. The fee is inclusive of following: training of 5 persons, a 5-day training of any one Shagun Soft-App code from S1 to S4 depending upon his choice. The trained 5 persons can run the center efficiently. The training is given at Durg office. Outsiders have to make their own staying arrangements. Feel free to ask any other queries. Our phone number 97550 39605. Thank you.